Oh, we could do a little fashion thing with that wand.
Hello?
Winter Couture 2024. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer. And you're watching a food, fashion, and lifestyle channel. Let it be known that I am not a huge DIYer. I have a few tricks up my sleeve, don't you worry. Anywho, everything that you're gonna see here, let me see. Yes, everything that you see here that I'm going to be using is from the Dollar Tree. I'm so excited, and let me know what you think of it. I don't know if I should call this particular DIY a Scandi type of situation, but I got maybe 2 DIYs. I don't know if the second one is really a DIY, it's more of an idea. Dollar Tree is not sponsoring me, however, Dollar Tree, I'm available. How about now? Dollar Tree,
I'm available.
in this bowl, I have the Dollar Tree Jingle Bell. They come in a package like this. That's what they look like. I've gotten 3 of these and I emptied them in that bowl. They also come with these strings as well. I just like placing things like this so that everything is corralled and it's organized for me and I can pull from there, and that's pretty. I got some of these sprigs as well. I'm gonna take some of these apart. I have some tools, some glue sticks, some of these snowflakes, a few of those flocked sprigs, 2 of the Dollar Tree candles. Well, all of this is Dollar Tree. Stop saying Dollar Tree, Cookie. Don't judge me. Snowballs and a tray. I also got, I was very intrigued by this wreath right here and this one as well. I guess you can stain these. And what I'll be using is this glue gun and my scissors. I'm gonna put together somewhat of a, oh, and that snowflake right there. I'm gonna put together somewhat of a
Scandi-ish type of ornament.
That's my DIY. Oh, excuse me as I take a sip of coffee. As you can see, I've already separated and piled the pine cones and the berries just to keep organized and make things easier and more efficient. I've centered my snowflake. I suggest that you do that. You look at your placement first before you glue anything down. Sugar Cookies, I love this sweater and the sleeves are fabulous. However, they are very intrusive and keep moving my snowflake. Not good for these type of projects. So I'm going to go get some clamps that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use those to hold everything in place. So far, I think I'm achieving that Scandi-ish kind of look. This snowflake glued to the wooden plaque just the way it is looks really pretty. Can you imagine several of these? If you have one, well, if you have one of those hunka-munka huge trees, imagine several of these placed throughout the trees. That would look really pretty with some tulle tucked in between and some lights. I think that would be really, really pretty. I think that Dollar Tree has really stepped up the availability of the craft items. I mean, this wreath with the beads on it, I was like, what? I could only find one. They have so much more. I'm not very crafty like that. Like I mentioned before, I have a few DIYs up my sleeve, but I'm really impressed with the selection. For $1.25, you can't beat that with a stick. Trick to getting the little bit amount of tulle that you get from the Dollar Tree is to take it and wrap it around your hand several times to create a lush bow or a lush backdrop. I'm going to be using this wire tie back. I save my wire tie backs when I go to the grocery store just for little projects just like this. As you can see, we fluff that around and zhuzh it around and fluff it up. And then you have your fashionable couture bow. Sometimes it's a good idea to hang up the wreath while you're decorating it. When you're starting to get ready to place your ornaments and other things, so you can gauge it properly. And you take a step back. Let's see, just like that. Okay. Just for centering purposes. Okay. I'm going to place some of these flocked stem that I trimmed. These came in a stem, but the stem was quite full. I was impressed by that.
Oh, this is hot.
Don't worry, that's gonna get covered. And then I'm gonna fluff them up. This glue is
Hot.
okay, that's not gonna work. Oh no, all these strings. Technical difficulties. I'll get back with the finished result. There's my DIY. Not too shabby, not too bad, huh? I think it turned out quite nicely. Like I mentioned before, it's a good idea to hang up your wreath and then take a step back, look at it, place with it, look at it, and before you glue anything down, kind of map things out and then glue it down. Look at that. I think this wreath turned out beautiful. This would make a great hostess gift. As a matter of fact, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing with this wreath. I'm going to a party tonight and I'm taking this as a hostess gift. This person likes handmade things, so that's what I did. Not too shabby, huh? All from the Dollar Tree. You can't tell me that looks like it came from the Dollar Tree. That is chic. I like that. Now what to do with this tray? I'm glad you asked. Let's see what I do with it. I have this bow I decided not to use, so I'm going to fluff it out just a little bit more. Am I in frame? Just like that. Put one of these candles to the side. So not only is this practical, but it's pretty as well. And I'm gonna take some of these Dollar Tree snowballs and just place them around. This one in the back. And these small ones as well. Just have fun with it. Oh, this is turning out kind of cute. I love being creative. All right. Add a few more in the empty spots. Oh wait, I have these big ones to use as well. Let's see. I'll put one there. And I'll put another one on the other side. This is looking cute. Let me move this aside a bit. Let me get the sleigh bells. The other DIY, if you can consider this a DIY, it's more of a suggestion really. I've trimmed the wick of these candles, so let's light these puppies up. Just for video purposes, obviously.
I hope you're not gonna light these in a drafty area or close to fabrics, right? Or underneath a lamp. fireworks, right? Right?
How pretty. Oh, that looks so nice and festive and wintry. Now, I do want to point something out. You're gonna want to buy several of these sleigh bells. Right here, they sound nice and clanky and jingly, right? But listen to this, when I shake them together, none of these have bells in them. So keep that in mind when you buy these sleigh bells. I feel like I'm on Polar Express. Remember when the boy couldn't hear the bell no more? But anyway, these don't jingle like that or jangle anymore, but this is so pretty and festive. Look at that. I'm a DIY. I can do a little something something. Let me know what you think of these DIYs. Would you like these? Would you put these up in your house? What do you think of my DIY and my other little inspiration? Comment below and let me know. It's important to me to hear your feedback because this way it lets me know that you're liking it, that you want to see more of this content, what you thought of the content. Critique, it's okay, I can handle it. If you like this video and you like this type of content, you found some value in it, a laugh, a chuckle or two, smash that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Share the video, why? Because sharing puts me out there. It tells the algorithm,
Hello, she's there.
for real, it really does put me out there and I can bring more content. I'm so appreciative of all your time, your support. Post a notification bell, you know, the ding 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 bell, and select all this way you don't miss any of my videos. Sugar cookies, try not to be too stressed this holiday season. It's not about the gifting and about the shopping and all those things, even though that is fun, but it's about remembering why we have Christmas at all. It's the birth of a Savior. It's a birth of salvation. It's a time of celebration. It's a time of togetherness, of breaking bread, of putting some differences aside, resolutions, happiness, joy, peace, and comfort. Know that this girl here in Florida loves you. And I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment.
Bleh.
Is this thing on? Oh, it's recording. Oh my gosh, that light is too bright. Oh, I got to fix that. Woo. Zoe, please. Oh my gosh, not again. You're gonna have to wait now, honey. Weirdo. Come on, Blue, let me be great.
You gonna work with me. Work with me.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.